guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be all about this Luvme hair. They sent me over their 22-inch deep wave hair. It's a 5x5 HD lace closure, and it came with an adjustable elastic band, and they also provided me with lots of goodies, and we love free things over here. So the hair was super full. I absolutely loved it. The curls were also really pretty, and you'll see that later on in the video. But I absolutely loved the lace, the best lace I've ever worked with. I'm doing like it's not a completely glueless install because I used the Got to Be glue, as you can see. But you can wear this completely glueless. I just like the extra security. Also wanted to mention that I am trying a new technique. So typically I usually cut the lace before I, install the hair, but I decided to install the hair with the lace still attached, and then tie it down and cut the lace that I didn't glue down, and you'll see that later on in the video. I have mixed feelings about this technique, but feel free to try it for yourself.
Make you know say anything when you do, them must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when you do, I try to do my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty, so far we be face. Just to make your money, yeah. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want feel.
So once you wait about 10 minutes, go ahead and cut the excess lace. I tried to cut it in zigzag motions. It didn't look zigzag after rewatching the video, but that was my attempt. So yeah, it's not as easy to see with the naked eye if you cut it that way. So this hair was previously co-washed before I installed it, but I wanted to wet it here on camera so you guys could see how that looks. The hair it doesn't take a long time to dry once you wet it, but I also did try not to completely soak my hair. But I just part it into sections, detangle it, and spray it down with water and conditioner. And that was pretty much it. The hair doesn't require a whole lot of products, and it's super low maintenance.
After all that we've been through, I was your revolver.
As you can see, the hair has plenty of movement, the curls are popping, and honestly guys, I want to say this is like the perfect spring summer vacation hair. It's low maintenance, all you need is water and conditioner and you're out the door. So yeah. Alright guys, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.